Welcome back. So the COVID cases have dipped in the national capital, Delhi, and the Delhi government, it appears, after an expert panel suggestions, have decided to reopen schools finally after March 2020. They are going to open first for class 6 to 12 in a phased manner. The schools in Delhi would be open. The offline classes for students of class 9th to 12th will resume from 1st of September. Meanwhile, classes 6 to 8 students will resume from September 8th. Now, this decision, remember, was taken by the meeting which took place with the Delhi Disaster Management Authority. In that report, the panel, an expert committee formed by the DDMA, recommended that students from senior classes should be called in first and then followed by, depending on how it turns out, the middle-aged grade students, and finally students of primary classes will be called in as well.
तो 1 सितंबर से दिल्ली में 9वीं से 12वीं के स्कूल और उस एज ग्रुप के बच्चों की कोचिंग या उससे बड़े बच्चों की कोचिंग सेंटर्स और साथ साथ सभी कॉलेजेस खोलने के लिए इजाज़त दे दी जाएगी और सभी कॉलेजेस खोले जा सकते हैं, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ खोली जा सकती हैं, सभी कोचिंग सेंटर्स खोले जा सकते हैं, 9वीं से 12वीं के सभी गवर्नमेंट प्राइवेट स्कूल खोले जा सकते हैं। यहाँ पर ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो भी स्कूल खोला जाएगा, जो भी कॉलेज खोला जाएगा, कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट खोला जाएगा, वहाँ पर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का बहुत सख्ती से पालन हो और किसी भी बच्चे को बाध्य नहीं किया जाएगा स्कूल आने के लिए। स्कूल कॉलेज ब्लेंडेड मोड में चलेंगे। अगर पेरेंट्स की परमिशन नहीं है, बच्चों को स्कूल बुलाने के लिए पेरेंट्स की परमिशन ज़रूरी होगी, और अगर पेरेंट्स की परमिशन नहीं है तो किसी बच्चे को फोर्स नहीं किया जाएगा या उसको उसके एवज में उसकी एब्सेंट काउंट नहीं किया जाएगा कि कोई बच्चा अगर स्कूल नहीं आया है इस क्लास ग्रुप का।
So if you're a parent and want to know if your child can now go to school in Delhi or any other state here in the country, I've prepared this graphic for you about different states. Let's begin with the national capital, Delhi. From the 1st of September, class 9th to 12th students will be called in. Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister and also handling the education, has said that no child will be forced. So once that reopens, from September 8th, class 6 to 8th will also be reopened and students will be asked to join. Let's move in to Haryana, where some schools have already opened. From September 4th, class 4th and 5th will also reopen in Haryana. In Telangana, meanwhile, from the 1st of September, 8th to 12th standard students are going to have to come to schools if the parents so want. What about Tamil Nadu? Let's take a look at Tamil Nadu as well. September 1st, 8th to 12th class students will be asked to rejoin the offline classes. And finally, in the state of Assam, take a look at that. We have 10th to 12th from 1st of September will again reopen. So, of course, what is happening is that the schools are starting to reopen. And remember, a lot of psychologists, experts have said that the social skills of children who have been restricted indoor has suffered. And therefore, it is imperative that the students slowly, in a phased manner, asked to return to schools, because this, remember, are extremely essential years as well. I want to now take you through just what's been happening in the past few days. Remember, schools have reopened because the schools have started to reopen, parents' concerns still continue. Are we ready for Delhi? Are we ready for parents, more than children really, to tell their kids they can wear their uniform, head back again to their classmates? I'm now joined by Pramod Sharma. He's the Vice President of the Genesis Global School, and we can go and ask him about precisely what is the status. Pramod Sharma, the fact is, I've been speaking to many parents, and while they do want, of course, the schools to reopen, they're not convinced. They're, of course, with the fear, what if their child also catches the coronavirus? How prepared is the school authority? Will there be hygiene in appropriate measures? Will the temperature be checked? How you, as a managing as a Vice President of the Genesis Global School, what are you telling to parents today who are watching this telecast? Are the schools ready? Are the preparations in place?
I think the schools are definitely ready because they have had long time to prepare the protocols, and the temperature, the sanitation, the surface sanitation, and all that is ready at various stages in school. And children have missed a lot. I mean, 1.5 years and without classroom. There are so many children because of the internet connectivity. And if we don't think of only of Genesis Global School or schools in Delhi, if we look outside, then there are children who have not been able to even have online classes. And so that is a real challenge. There are lots of gaps between learning. So some children have learned a little more, some children, there are gaps which have remained, and in online learning, it is not easy to remove those gaps. So
Okay.
it has been a huge challenge. And now some children will come to the school. That means we are talking about hybrid learning.
Okay.
How many schools are ready for hybrid learning? Blended learning was another matter.
What do you mean by hybrid learning, if you
So
can
that
tell
is a
me?
real challenge. Hybrid learning meaning some students will be in school, some students will be at home. This is what is going to happen in next 2 months. So
Okay.
are the schools ready? Are the platform and the technology ready? And are the teachers ready to have this kind of hybrid learning?
That's interesting, and I would think that option is important. I want to now go across to Jasmine Shah, Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. And Jasmine, you've been actively involved with the education aspect, the education sector of the government in Delhi as well. The basic concern that remains, Jasmine, is what if I do not want to send my child to school right away? I want to wait and watch. What are you telling to that parents? Because Manish Sisodia has said no child will be forced, but it is easier said than done. So that option of online education also remains. How are you telling parents that it's okay, we are ready? Start sending senior classes students and then we'll phase out.
That's right. See, first we need to understand the scale of learning loss that has happened for the last 1.5 years. And while the focus of the entire country has been on opening up the economy, opening up the market, restoring livelihoods, experts say that we may actually lose a generation of kids if we do not get them back to schools and offer the quality of learning that they were getting earlier. And that is the reason, after wide-ranging consultation, discussion with experts and SOPs that should soon come out, Delhi government is making complete preparations that our schools open and become the centers of education that they were meant to be. However, over the last 1.5 years, Delhi government schools have also transitioned to a blended model of learning, where there are semi-online classes, worksheets are sent to parents, they work on it, send back, teachers correct it, and all of that. So that will continue. This is something that we have evolved over the last 1.5 years.
Jasmine, just a quick question here, because Delhi government schools, of course, are going to reopen. What about the private schools? That's a discretion on the private school individually as per institution to decide, or they will all have to open from the 1st of September?
No, there is no compulsion.
Okay.
See, we understand it is not an easy call for any parent to decide at this stage. There is confusion. And I think the experience of the first few weeks and months will actually calm the nerves of even parents. So I think all depends on how smoothly we open the schools, how the first few weeks go, and how much of care we are taking, which we are fully committed to. But we are not going to force anyone.
Thank you so much, Jasmine Shah, Pramod Sharma, for telling us your view. This is going to be a big day on September 1st, and we want to wait and see how many parents actually decide to send their children. But remember, it's not going to be forced. It can be in a phased manner. Online classes option still remains with the parents on September 1st, at least for the first few days.